Roy Vincent Trinidad.
Yes, good morning everyone. On the updates at the West Philippine Sea, I'll be giving you the results.
And what would be the next step of the Philippine government?
There is a
Last question, sir. You mentioned there is storage capacity. I assume that you haven't broken into.
This was the drone recovered in Masbate. We only have the report. CTD sensor is in letter A on the nose of the drone. Conductivity, temperature, and depth. The drone that was recovered in Initaw, Misamis Oriental. The orange one, the red and orange one. There were markings on the battery assembly. The upper picture are the markings, and when translated, it shows the 18th Research Institute of China Electronics Technology Group Corporation. This allows China to monitor the maritime environment through advanced information technology. That's all, and I'm ready for your questions. There is a 55 to 80% likelihood that this was deployed by the Chinese Communist Party. Why 55 to 80%? Is because of the components inside. Not all of them have markings that they were made in China. Others are available commercial off the shelf. They have the capability to receive, to process, to store, and to transmit data through satellite communications to a station on land, to a mothership, or to other drones. We are not categorically stating where they came from, but there is a likelihood, a 55 to 80% likelihood per the report. Yes, the data received focuses more on bathymetric data, depth of water, salinity, temperature, propagation of sound. All of these have applications across different fields: academic research, commercial purposes, and also military use. It's very clear that these are used for mapping out the underwater terrain, collecting information, like what I mentioned, bathymetric data. All of these have a use across different fields, to include underwater warfare. Based on the technical study of the forensics of the SIM card, the last contact that it had was in mainland China.